All right, kindergarten. Now we are going to move on to our learning target, which says I can decompose the number 7 with stories, objects, and number bonds. This is almost the same learning target as yesterday. Yesterday we were decomposing 6. Today we're going to decompose or break down the number 7. You are going to need to start your number bond and your marker. So make sure you take those things out. If you don't have them, you can always draw this on paper, on a whiteboard or on paper. All right. So I have some different shapes here, and we are going to move them into the parts to figure out what parts we have to add up to 7. So if you could, on your number bond, draw the triangles in one part and the circles in another part, and figure out how many of each you have. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the circles. All right. Does your number bond look like mine? I drew the triangles in one part and the circles in another. Awesome. Now, can you write a number for those? So write the numbers. Do you have the same numbers as me? I saw 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 circles, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you were to move them all together, count how many you had in whole, think about how many you would have all together and write that number in the top. So if I moved all of them up here, I started down here and I'm moving them up to the top. Think about how many there are all together. You can also use your fingers to help you. 4 and 3. Did you get 7? If you did, give yourself some shine. If you didn't, you can change it to 7. So I have 4 triangles and 3 circles, and that made 7. 4 and 3 makes 7. All right, so the last step is to write a number sentence. 7 equals something plus something. On your boards, write a number sentence. 7 equals something and something. Think about what the parts are. All right, let's check to see if you got it. This one should say 7 equals 4 because there were 4 triangles and 3 circles. 4 and 3. If you got that, give yourself some shine. If you didn't, that's okay. Just go ahead and fix it. All right, then move to the next slide and watch the video on that page.